Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, prior to moving on, we want to continue our practice of multiplication. Now I've listed this problem up here, which you have on your paper or your dry erase board, and you're going to be estimating it first. I've listed each part because you're going to need to know the factors are what's being multiplied together. The product is the answer. On your board, you're doing your estimate right now. So we can then talk about how you found your estimate. Yes.
Do you have another expert? My expert died.
Yes.
Mine's dying too.
You're going to have to buy some because I'm going to run out. So on your paper, you're estimating right now.
Can you get these back after we
Keep them, but use them. All right, so I'm going to team shake some people and see how they're going to estimate. Remember, estimates are done first. Estimates are done first. If all you do is round your answer, that's not finding an estimate. That is just rounding your answer choice, or your answer, which makes your teacher cray-cray. John, what are you going to do to estimate this problem?
260.
260? Shh. What are you going to multiply by?
I'm going to do 10.
10? Okay. Let's write it like this. 260 times 10. Anybody else do a different estimate? Yes, Carter.
I did 250 times 8.
250 times 8. Why'd you choose 250?
Because it's quarters.
Because of quarters. Good. William.
I did 300 times 8.
300 times 8. All right, Lily.
I did 255 times 8.
Okay. Tristan.
I did 260 times 8.
260 times 8. Maxwell.
I did 250 times 5.
250 times 5. All right, Easton.
I did 257 times 8.
And you could do that in your head? All right, so there are a lot of different ways that were chosen to estimate. Now, if your answer, if you were required just to estimate it and then show me your answer, I'm not going to be a jerk. I would take most of these. The closer you stick to 256 and 8, the better off you're going to be. It'll be closer to your answer. Me personally, I like Carter's where he changed it to 250 because I think quarters makes it easier for me thinking in quarters. All right, this is a little different. It's 3-digit by 1-digit. It's not any more difficult. It's all the same. Landry. We're going to start with our ones place. 8 times 6 ones is? 48. So we have 48 ones, which is the same as 8 ones and 4 tens. 8 ones and 4 tens. Now we are using our tens place. So, Maxwell, what is 8 times 5?
40.
40, and then we have 4 extra tens that we brought from over here. So that would be
45.
44. Good, 44. Now, that's 44 tens. It's like 44 $10 bills. Well, I'm not carrying around 44 $10 bills. I'm carrying around 4 tens and 4 hundreds. So that when you go to the store, they're going to look at that 100 and go, Make sure it's not counterfeit. Stop counterfeiting. Stop counterfeiting, Nixon. Gosh. All right, now we're multiplying times the hundreds. So we have 8 times 2 hundreds. Jaden. 8 times 2.
16.
16. And then we have 4 extra hundreds, which would be
20.
20. Now, if I asked the question, what is the inverse operation of multiplication? Who can tell me what the inverse operation, Caitlin? Division. I could check this problem if I divided 2048 divided by 8. And I should get 256. Okay, that's the inverse of multiplication is division. The inverse of division is multiplication. So that helps you save your work. Caitlin? Okay. We'll do it when we get to multiplication and division, okay? Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you, do something kind today, save the bees, please subscribe.